All right.
We're live.
All righty. Woohoo.
Dawn Zirbel, we are live. How are you today?
I am well, dear. How are you?
I am doing amazing. Welcome to Live with Liz. Dawn, you are with First American Home Warranty.
I am.
And those of us in the real estate industry have a lot, we know a lot about home warranty, but this is really geared toward the consumer who may not quite understand what home warranty is about. And we'll get to that.
Okay.
But for now, Dawn, introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I will. Okay, so I'm Dawn Zirbel with First American Home Warranty. I have lived in the Santa Clarita Valley since 1972. So I'm a product of the local environment, elementary school, junior high school, COC, met my husband here. He's from Newhall as well. We've raised our kids here. So Santa Clarita is home.
Yep.
26 years ago, I stumbled into this job. Somebody said, hey, have you ever thought about doing home warranty? And I didn't know what a home warranty was, but I thought, what the heck, let's give it a shot. And 26 years later, it has afforded me an amazing life, the ability to raise my son when I was a single mom for a while. Mm-hmm. And I've just been blessed to be working with some really great real estate agents. So that's kind of who I am and where I came from. And home warranty is a little more complicated than that. But
it is. Dawn, you have this nickname, or you are the diva of home warranty. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
I can. So my counterpart at First American sells disclosures. Her name is Carolyn. You'll have to have her on sometime. And we do meetings together frequently. And we're both experts in our field. I've been doing this for 26 years, and Carolyn's been doing it for over 20 years. And we were presenting, I believe, at your office years ago. And one of our competitors was standing in the back of the room, and she said, she's such a diva. and I laughed. I'm like, you say it like it's a bad thing.
Yeah.
We have since taken that and run with it. We have shirts. And diva to me is somebody who's exceptionally good at what they do, and they know it. And it's not ego. I've been doing this for 26 years. I have a nickname on my team of Dawnopedia, because if they don't know the answer, I do. And I have the plumbing code and the electrical codes. I know this stuff. So I have answers that help find solutions to problems, which is basically what home warranty is. I find solutions to help people resolve issues. So, and I've been doing it for 26 years.
And you do it so well. I love that you own it. Like, being a diva is doing something really, really well and owning it. I love that you do that, Dawn. It's beautiful. I love empowered women and love to surround myself with people like you. So thank you, Dawn. All right, so let's talk about what home warranty is. Because when I talk about home warranty, when I'm doing a buyer consultation, a buyer 101, or when I am talking to sellers about the home warranty, and it's a line item on their net sheet, because they, usually we prepare sellers to pay for a home warranty on behalf of the buyer. People are often confused. Like, what's a home warranty? Is it like home insurance? What is it?
Absolutely. And that confuses people. And a home warranty and homeowner's insurance are two different things.
Yep.
Home warranties are for failures to systems and appliances in your home. Heating, plumbing, electrical, ceiling fans, exhaust fans, the dishwasher, the oven, the range. I tell people to picture your house, and with the exception of the air conditioner or the swimming pool equipment, from the walls in are what the home warranty covers. And we cover failures due to normal wear and tear. And the example I use with all of my homeowners, the Brady Bunch moment, where the washing machine floods the kitchen. Home warranties fix the washing machine. Home owner's insurance fixes the damage caused by the water. And that's the difference of the two insurances, if you will. Because home warranty is not technically an insurance, but we get lumped in with it a lot. It's easier to understand that way. So we don't take care of damage. We take care of the thing that broke, and we fix it. And home warranties are most often purchased through real estate, which is how you and I met.
Yes.
In a normal market, which we sometimes have and sometimes we don't. Right now, we don't.
I haven't seen one in a while.
We haven't seen one in a while either. The seller typically provides a warranty for a buyer because they want the buyer to have peace of mind that should something break, they're not going to come out of pocket a lot of money to make repairs. And that's what a home warranty does. It's not meant to cover the entirety of all repairs. It's meant to offset the majority of cost for most repairs for items that fail. It's got to be working when you close escrow. We don't fix things that are already broken. It's like you can't buy car insurance after the car accident. You have to have it ahead of time. And then we go in and we make repairs. And if things can't be fixed, you get a new dishwasher, you get a new oven. So it works well when you know how to work it. And that's where I come in to help people understand their home warranty, talk to your buyers, explain coverage, how to place claims, things like that.
Yeah, no, and I appreciate you because there's one testimonial that I can give about you in this very short video is that you are always available to answer questions, and even more so available to my clients when they have questions about their claims or the status of, what's going on. So I truly appreciate that because you do stay involved and you stay in contact with the people that are involved, and a lot of times it's buyers and sellers. Dawn, the other day I was sitting at a mastermind and there was this broker and she said something that I think is very smart. And she said, home warranty, every seller should pay for a home warranty, whether they want to or not. And the reason why is she sees it as a way to minimize risk for the seller. What are your thoughts about that? Should a seller always provide the home warranty for the buyer? I know in this market, I've been buying home warranties on behalf of my buyers. Some buyers have been buying home warranties for themselves because we're in a very competitive market.
Very competitive market, yes. So a home warranty is risk management. Home warranties were created literally to reduce risk for real estate agents originally. And then it has transformed into a consumer-facing product. So yes, a seller, educated, savvy sellers provide the warranty. It's $500 or $600 average in most cases. And they understand that when they sell this house, they don't want to get a phone call in 2 weeks, 2 months, 6 months that something is broken and the buyer now feels remorse and that maybe somebody else should be paying for the repair. And in the market we're in right now, a lot of buyers are offering to pay for their own warranty to provide compelling, strong offers, which says to the seller, hey, Mr. Seller, not only do I want to buy your house, I'll pay for my own warranty, which protects you too. So savvy buyers are doing that to write compelling offers because it's very competitive right now. It's very limited inventory. And a lot of people understand the value of real estate. I mean, that's how you build wealth. Owning homes is how you build wealth.
I love it.
And I've learned that. And I drilled into our kids' heads. All 3 of my kids are homeowners now. Yay. And 2 of them are getting new air conditioners this year because their mama made sure they had a home warranty. And their air conditioners broke. And they through the process. And now COVID has made it difficult. I think we're all very understanding that things are taking longer than they used to. Parts are a struggle to get in some cases. But home warranties work if you let them. And I'm a big fan of sellers providing it. But it's negotiable. It's anybody can pay for the warranty. So we leave that up to each specific contract.
My theory is as long as there is a home warranty in place and a home warranty that will cover, that is ample in coverage for the property, whether it be a condo or a house, something with a pool, without a pool, or a septic tank. I love all of the options that you guys provide so that we can be sure to provide home warranties for buyers and sellers, especially in this crazy market. Dawn, talk to me a little bit more about what a seller's policy is. This is something new that actually you guys just rolled out really in the last 10 years, I want to say.
It probably has 10 or 12 years. I call it the best kept secret in home warranty. So you can, as a listing agent or the seller of a property, get home warranty coverage during the listing and escrow period for pennies a day. A fully loaded plan is under $1.50 a day, and we bill it through the close of escrow. And the reasoning behind it is the seller is selling this house. They really don't want to put too much more money into repairs. And things break. And I always joke, the house knows it's being sold. And as soon as it knows it's being sold, there goes your dishwasher. Something's not going to work. And a lot of agents use the home warranty strategically on listing appointments. And a lot of sellers who have sold several houses because they like to move understand the value of having the coverage during the listing and escrow period. Things come up on the request for repairs. If you've got coverage in place, it becomes a home warranty issue instead of a seller trying to figure out how to get these things resolved issue. So I'm a big fan of seller's coverage. And but going back to the point you spoke about with optional coverages, there's something for every house. And every house needs something. A basic warranty is just the starting point. Obviously, where we live, air conditioning is a huge concern. The biggest expense for any home warranty company is plumbing. Water heaters, they only last 7 to 10 years. We have very hard water out here. So
Yeah,
there are ways to upgrade a home warranty to maximize your coverage and value, and you're still only spending $600.
Yeah.
For a year of coverage. One claim can offset that entire premium, and now you're ahead of the game.
Yes.
And right now, especially with buyers paying a premium for houses and putting a lot of cash down, so if something breaks, how are they going to repair it?
Right.
They need a home warranty. So waiving a home warranty isn't the answer, because if and when something breaks, and it's not if, let's face it, it's when. They need the coverage in place, because it's too late if you don't have it when something breaks.
Yeah. I love the fact that, you stay in contact with people. And so when their home warranty is about to expire, because typically the home warranty that is provided by an agent or by a seller is typically about a year.
Yes.
When it's time to renew, I love that you contact clients and you let them know it's time to renew, or you'll send me a message to have another conversation with a client, which is great. I can never have enough conversations with people that I serve. And, to remind them you can renew the warranty. My parents have renewed their warranty. I swear, I think they've had it most of my life, and they just renew every single year because something happens every year, whether it be a washer, a dryer, or the AC. Yeah.
Absolutely. And maybe one year you don't have a claim, and the next year your air conditioner goes.
Yeah.
It's just paid for itself. I have homeowners that have been with us for 30 years.
Wow.
18 years. And that's the proof that a home warranty has value. Yep. Because it's a service industry, and it can be a struggle, because it's your home and you're letting strangers in to fix things, and we understand that. But they're all licensed, they're bonded, they're insured, and we regulate them and we grade them, and we have report cards. And I like to stay in touch, like because I want to hear everything. And I talk to your clients. They text me, they call me. We have conversations about what can we do? What do we need to do? And I think they appreciate that. I think they'd like to know that the person they're talking to is right here.
Yes, I agree.
Your teammate, because I'm on your team, is right here. I'm not somewhere else. And so I can empathize when something's needing my attention.
Right.
And that's what I like to do. I like to be involved.
I love it. I love it. So Dawn, we're going to wrap up. And there are 2 questions I ask every single person that comes on live with Liz. And that is, so the first question is, what is the best real estate advice you've ever received?
Real estate builds wealth.
Yes. Yeah. That's what I'm most passionate about, and why I love this industry so much. And Dawn, what is your superpower?
So my superpower is solving problems.
I love it.
And when you all reach out to me and I answer back quick on a text on a Saturday, you're like, wow, that's my superpower.
Yeah.
Give it to me and let me handle it.
I love it. That's perfect. Thank you so much, Dawn.
I loved it.
Talk to you soon. I love working with you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate working with you. Thank you.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.